Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you one secret code that will unlock the full potential of your Fire Stick device or your Fire TV device. So if you have any limitations on your Fire TV, or if you are searching for applications that you want on your Fire TV and you cannot get them, then this particular code, it is going to unlock all of that on your Fire Stick device. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch the video right up to the end, because I will show everything step by step in this video, and make sure not to skip any part of this video. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please make sure you like and drop a comment in the comment section about the video or anything you want me to create a video for you about. And also, please, if you send me a gift, I am going to appreciate that. So that's it. This is my Fire Stick device, and let's go ahead. The very first step to unlocking the limitations or the full potentials of your Fire Stick device is you need to start by making sure your Fire TV device is able to install applications from unknown sources. And to turn that on, what you have to do is to come out to the option on your settings that says My Fire TV. And once you go over here, if you see this option, developer options, if you see these, then I believe your Fire Stick device is already able to install applications from unknown sources. But if you don't see this, do not worry yourself. I'm just about to show you how to make this to appear. So if you don't have this option, come back to the option that says About, launch it or open it, and once you are here on the option that says Fire TV Stick 4K, just click on it 5 times until you see a pop-up below that says No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then your Fire TV device can now your developer options is on, and what you have to do is to return here, come over to the developer options and make sure that this option is on apps from unknown sources. Just click OK here and turn it on. Once it's on, then you can install applications from unknown sources, and that is the very first and most important step you need to do before you can go ahead to unlocking the full potential of your Fire Stick device. Now once that is done, the next thing we need to do is to install the application downloader to our Fire Stick device. It is very easy to install this. Now I will say, if you already know how to install the application, you can forward the video a little bit, but if you don't know, this is what you should do. On your find section, go over to the search and just type in T, or you can go ahead and type in the full name of the application, which is downloader. But just to make things quicker, go over here and type in downloader. Now once you type in downloader, here's the application here. Click on it, and then you can click install or download to your Fire TV device. Now I just want to say that while you're using this on your Fire TV device, please make sure you're using a VPN to stay secure on the internet. In the description of this video, I've added a suggestion for the best VPN that you can use on your Fire TV device. The reason for you to use a VPN is because as a creator, I cannot guarantee you about the security of the internet on your TV device. So you have to make sure, you have to take steps to stay secure on the internet, and one of them is by subscribing to a valid VPN, and the one in the description of this video is a valid VPN. So back to the video. After installing the application, what you have to do, you have to launch it on your Fire TV device. So just click OK, allow all of these, or click OK here, and here's downloader. Now the way you use downloader is by typing in a code here, which is going to unlock or go over to a website that you want. So in this case, the code I'm about to type here is a simple code, and the code is 28907. So I'm going to type in that code. So as you type in that code on your Fire TV device, what you have to do is just to click OK or go or next. And what is going to happen is that this is going to launch to a site that I use very often on my Fire TV device. Now I want to start by saying that I am not the creator of this site. The creator of this site is a YouTube creator called Fire. Our YouTube channel is called Fire TV Sticks. You can check her out on YouTube, and she's called Tan. I'm not the creator, I'm not the owner of this site. I'm just creating a tutorial video to share about the availability of this site. So if you're watching this and you're the owner, then all the credits and rights, they all belong to you. So now once you go over here, this is what it says: access locked, and it says access denied. Now I'm going to show you how to bypass this on your Fire TV device. It is very easy. Now what you have to do is, on your mobile device or on another device, it could be a phone or it could be a laptop or MacBook, whatever device you're using that is not your smart TV or your Fire TV box, go over to this website, https firetvsticks.com/download token. Now once you go there, there are two options. You can go to the site or you can scan the QR code. Whatever option works for you, good and fine. But on my computer, I've already gone over to the site. Once you go to the site, you are going to be asked to generate a code or a token on your device. So what you have to do, just click the generate token, and then the token is going to generate, and then you come back here and type in the token. So for instance, I've already generated a token here, and I'm going to come back here and type it. So the token is simple. What I do, I just come below here and I type in what I've generated on my other device. So on my other device, I've generated this token. Let me type it down here. It is simply, so as you type in the code, just log in, and then it is going to bring you straight away to this page. So this is where it's going to bring you. What the token is going to do is going to allow you to browse on the site for 30 minutes. That's what the code is there for. I believe this is just for security purposes for those of us who are using the site often. So that's just here. Once you come over here, it's going to bring you here. And the first thing that you can notice here, it says lastly updated October 15, 2025. This is just a couple of days ago. This means that the applications in this website or whatever you're going to be finding on this website are all updated, and it is something that you feel secured about. So now as you go over here, this is what you should do. Now the creator of this site, as I said, is called Dan, and she has given 5 applications that are recommended to on Fire TV for this week. But the one I'm more interested in is in the category of applications that are here. So there are lots of categories. There are about 24 categories of applications over here, if not 23. I can browse any, you can go through any on your FireStick device. Now I'm just going to show you. So if you're looking for categories for movies, they just go over here. I am going to see applications in movies. You're looking for sports or live sports, you are going to go over to this category. If you are looking for news, they can go over to this category. If you are looking for internet protocol TVs, they can go over to this. If you are looking for anime, so you see, as a Fire TV user, this site is going to have any application in almost any category that you want on your Fire TV, and that's why I said this site is going to unlock the full potential of your Fire TV device. So let's say for instance you want to install an application to your Fire TV device. Let's say for instance a media player. All you have to do is to go over to the category of a media player and click on it. Now as you click on it, it's going to bring you to the download page of the media players. As you see here, media players download. So you can read this. Welcome to our media players page, your central hub for enjoying all your digital content. Here you find curated selection of powerful. You can read through all of that. But what I want to show you, all the media players are here. They can all install to your Fire Stick device. So there are a couple of them, and as I said, as we saw earlier, all of these are updated. So let's say for instance you want to install an application from here. It is very simple. You want to install, let's say, the Kodi application. As I think I saw it over here. Here is it, the Kodi player. All you have to do is to go over here and click on it once, and then it's going to start downloading to your Fire TV device. So it's going to bring you to the page over here. Now you can watch the tutorial on YouTube if you want, but it is of no need. So watch my latest video on YouTube. This is the creator of the YouTube of this site, so she's called Tan. So once you are here, to install the application is very simple. Here's the download page. Just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the download page. So Kodi download, there are lots of Kodi options here they can install. There are different Kodi fonts they can install, and as you can see, this you have options to install right up to the Fire TV and so on. So for instance, you go over to this option, I click on it, it's going to start downloading to your Fire Stick device. Now the application is done downloading, I just go over here and click next or install, and the application is going to install to your Fire TV device or Fire Stick device because it's updated. So now the application is installed, you can click done, and you can go over here and delete the app file, and that's how to install and download files from here. But return home, you are going to see the application that I just installed, the Kodi application that I just installed from that site, and you can install any other application just like this. So if you find the video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.